I'm Jason.
I'm Todd.
This is our little child Ziggy. Say hello, Ziggy.
Hi, Ziggy.
And we're the Glamping Guys. Hey everybody, it's Jason with the Glamping Guys. I hope all of y'all out there in the YouTube world are having a great holiday season so far. Well, this is our first year spending Christmas in our new home on wheels, and we decided to do a little bit of decorating. We just finished. We just used some little LED lights and just kind of dressed up the little dining room corner over here. And because we are now in a more tiny home lifestyle, we ended up having to get, tiny little things. So this tree we got at Walmart, it was only $16 and we fell in love with it because it's a beautiful fiber optic. We are calling this our disco tree. Look how pretty this is. The star, we've had this for a really long time. So when we downsized earlier this year, we ended up giving a lot of our Christmas things away, but we saved the really important stuff for this year, which wasn't really that much, just a few things that really meant a lot to us. So for example, right down here, we had these little knickknacks given to us over the years as gifts. One of my favorite little Christmas knickknacks is this guy right here. My mom gave me this one year for Christmas, but it's the little Grinch and his little sidekick there. And a friend gave us this, which I thought was really pretty. And here, I'll show you here. But this actually, well, turns on and it just kind of changes colors. So, living in a smaller space, we really had to do a lot of downsizing with Christmas also. When we were in our house, we did a lot of decorating in the dining room and throughout the house, but the nice thing about tiny living is you really know how to end up maximizing your space. And I'm kind of fond of snowmen. So we got this cute little guy for the window. I just wanted to show you some of the outside decorations that we did for Severus. This is our first year having Christmas in our new home on wheels. So sit back and come along, and I'm going to take you on a quick little tour of all the fun, festive Christmas things that we've done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour of our Christmas decorations. We had a really good time showing you, and we also had a really good time just kind of figuring out everything and where we were going to put it and what we were going to do. You know, this is our first time we've ever decorated an RV for Christmas. So I think we did a pretty good job considering it's our first time. Well, I think we're going to have some more fun, and we're going to go for a little walk through the resort and check out everybody else's Christmas decorations. I've heard that people are starting to get into that decorating spirit, and I think we need to go for a walk and see what people are doing. Look at that. You can see they have like a little projector light with some really pretty stars shining on their fifth wheel. And look at this. Look how cute this is. They made a little North Pole. Well, I'm glad I came out and took you guys for a little walk. The best Christmas decoration that I can think of is a perfect full moon. But look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Wow.
Leave a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.